In this video, I'm going to introduce you to a lazy sound. Lazy sound, yes! In English phonetics, Schwa is called a lazy sound, and the sound is pronounced as a. When you pronounce this word a, you don't have any lip movement, your tongue is just sitting in the palate, right? Yes, let's look at some words now, like around, along, among, above. Let me also bring your attention to other examples, like this is a book. Here the pronunciation is a of the letter A. THE is pronounced as the or V. Even the sound here is a. Sofa. Even here the A is pronounced as a. Let's look at these two words, carrot and parrot. Where you see an O, you don't pronounce it as carrot or parrot. It's pronounced as parrot, carrot. I hope this is clear now. So get busy and start thinking of words that you can comment as example words other than the ones that we have shared. Till we meet next time, keep practicing. Bye.